I run 30-day experiments on myself. So you don't have to.
This is the silent year rule. Protect the idea before you defend it. I tested it for 30 days. The tree grew exactly when everyone said it wouldn't. This is the three-way split. 1/3 you live on. The hidden third became the mountain nobody saw coming. Nobody saw the mountain.
This is the boring business blueprint. While others fought over AI, I cleaned this dusty shop. Now, it pays me every day.
I'm testing the three-way split, the silent year, and the boring business blueprint for the next 30 days on real money. Subscribe so you don't miss what happens.
New experiment every week. Some will work in a day. Some will still be working on me a year from now.